Craving flawless pizza? My foolproof dough delivers airy perfection every time. Any flour, any oven. Ready to master it? Let's dive in. Start with 150 milliliters of warm water at 35 to 37 degrees Celsius. The temperature is crucial for activating our yeast properly. Add 3 grams of sugar, the perfect fuel for our yeast. Through extensive testing, I found this exact amount creates the ideal balance. Add 5 grams of active dry yeast. This simple step is the start of our perfect pizza journey. Watch closely, every detail matters. Check out these spoons. Too small? Too metal? No. This wooden one's perfect, just like the ones in classic Italian kitchens. Gently stir the mixture. Maybe I was a little off on the size, but notice how it's starting to react. Now sift 250 grams of flour. This step ensures that perfect texture we're after. Add 8 grams of salt away from the yeast. Timing is crucial here to ensure perfect fermentation and flavor development. And now, the magic ingredient that makes the dough moist and fluffy. Where the industry uses various chemical dough improvers, we use 100 grams of boiled, cooled potatoes, mash them with a fork, and add them to the dough. Trust me, the science is just as exciting as the result. Blend everything with our wooden spoon. Watch how beautifully it comes together. A quick hand mix ensures perfect incorporation. Add 20 grams of extra virgin olive oil. It's liquid gold. The secret? Quality ingredients turn the ordinary into something extraordinary. Keep mixing until every drop of oil is incorporated. Cover with cling film and turn your oven to maximum heat. 250 degrees Celsius. Let the dough proof for 90 minutes near the warm oven. A light dusting of cornmeal prevents sticking. The moment of truth. Look at this beautiful rise. Shape it into a ball and marvel at that perfect bouncy elasticity. Pure dough magic. Time to gently stretch the dough. Watch it transform into the perfect base for your amazing pizza. Before I continue, I want to say one very important thing. I made this pizza 3 times to perfect this tutorial for you. I have many exciting pizza recipes to share in future videos. If this helped, share it with friends. Your support means everything to me. Meanwhile, our pizza is almost ready. Into our 250 degrees Celsius oven, it goes for about 10 minutes. Watch for that golden brown crust. That's your signal it's ready. Thank you for cooking with me today. Loved this recipe? Hit like and subscribe. I pour my heart into these videos just for you. Happy pizza making.